These phonics flashcards were kindly gifted to me, and they've been such a great tool for early reading practice. If you're working with a child who's learning to read, these cards help break phonics down in a really clear and approachable way. The set includes 76 cards that cover 24 different phonics principles, including CVC words, blends, digraphs, and long vowel sounds. I love that everything is organized in a way that builds skills step by step so kids aren't feeling overwhelmed as they learn. The cards are easy to read, colorful without being distracting, and perfect for short practice sessions. You can use them for quick daily review, turn them into simple games, or pull out just a few cards at a time depending on what your child is working on. These work really well for kids ages 4 to 8 and can be used in a homeschool setting or alongside what they're already learning in school. They're a simple and helpful hands-on way to make phonics practice feel more engaging and effective. If you're looking for an easy tool to support early reading skills, this set is definitely worth adding to your daily learning routine.